Hello, I am Stuart. Here in the video we will share the details for the Age of Empires error code C00T01R-1X-15526556C690408. The error reads, "You are currently either offline or not yet signed into the Steam Xbox network. Please reconnect to sign into the game." Note, playing the game offline is only required on first launch. As per our research, the error comes when players try to launch the game. According to our research, the error is probably the result of any kind of connection issues between your network and servers. Before trying anything, we advise you to restart your device along with the internet. Then check if the error still persists. If you tried restarting your device and internet, but the error is still coming, then check you have a pending update for Age of Empires. If the game needs to be updated, then update the game and check for the error again. In case the error is coming despite the game being up to date with its latest version, then try connecting your device over an alternate Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot network. Do this to check if the error also comes over the other network. If the error doesn't continue over the other network, then this clearly means that anything within your network environment is causing issues with the game. So, we suggest you troubleshoot your network or reach out to your ISP. Meanwhile, you can continue playing on the other network. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.